Alright, hey guys, Melv here. So I want to show you guys GoPro webcam, Mac versus Windows. GoPro introduced the webcam feature for Mac first, and as of September 5, around the end of August, GoPro also rolled out the Windows version, and I just want to compare the two versions of the software. GoPro introduced this GoPro webcam feature as a recent, due to the recent changes in work from homes. So the webcams should be able to work for Zoom, Google Meet, Twitch, Microsoft Teams, Skype, and more. The Mac version of the GoPro webcam utility has way more angle options. So for example, we have the ability to switch the digital lens from wide, narrow to linear, and I'm gonna show you guys a video real quick of the video quality of the GoPro. Okay, what's up you guys? I had the iMac webcam on the left side and the GoPro webcam on the right side. As you can tell the difference, not really good lighting in here, but you can see the differences. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on the Mac version how it has these different digital lenses. So right now it's set on linear for the GoPro webcam. I'm gonna switch it to narrow. Takes a while to load. So this is narrow lens. Then we can do wide lens. And wide lens, as you can tell, has more of a fisheye effect. Gets more of everything around the frame. On the window, or also on the Mac version, the software also has the ability to change the webcam resolution. So let's go ahead and change that. I bumped up the resolution from 720 to 1080. Let me go again with the digital lens. So this is wide lens. We'll switch to narrow lens. Now from narrow lens to linear lens, and linear lens, less of a fisheye effect. GoPro on the Mac definitely has more features than the Windows version. I can switch over to the Windows version now. Okay, so I switched over to the Windows computer right now. Let's see if you guys can see. I have this AUZ webcam and the GoPro setup, and I'm going to show you guys a comparison. Alright, same rules apply. I have the webcam on the left side, and on the right side I have the GoPro. So this webcam is the AUZ webcam I just bought on Amazon. It was really cheap. Looks really good. Colors are a little saturated and like blotched out, but overall the brightness and everything looks good. You can also tell that it has this like webcam, or not webcam, it has like this fisheye effect. Don't really expect much from this webcam because it was really cheap. On the right side for the GoPro, really dark, but also very wide view, and the colors pop out more, but very dark. So people on the Windows side usually have a lot of issues connecting. Yeah, I definitely had trouble connecting as well, but usually what works for me is, let me focus for you guys real quick. I usually turn on the camera first, then once that is on, I then plug in my USB-C cable. So plug in my USB cable, let it load up. And it says it's connected. I then go to the GoPro webcam app and show preview, and it usually connects to the webcam. Okay, so I will also provide the Windows program. For anyone that's interested, you can actually sign up on the GoPro app, but I know it takes a while to get approved by the admins, so I'm gonna put it in a Dropbox link. Let me know if that helps you guys. Overall, GoPro webcam is very good quality. Hopefully the features transition to the Windows version. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to comment, give me a like. And if you guys aren't already subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell icon as well if you guys want more videos. Otherwise, friends, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.